Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdobying Jompi
SVJ Foundation, in association with St. Joseph's Educational Services, are conducting career seminar cum educational fair on the 4th of June 2022. Register on 9436 119 or walk in directly to the venue for further information. Kaseng Kongres Kabalathau ya ke komiti kabakerpang menta kalanang penkrek syat-syat ban lumlut ya kisabut kibabiang kenang bandup say Madan ya kijingkeno jersey Bamsap hapo ka jingsen syar jong ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ha kini kisansnam kenti ya ke jela Meghalaya. Presiden Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Uba Vincent H. Pala hakajingnya keren bat kilat patai kubor hakasngi thoding jong kalai tarik ubana jeleu arajar arpuar ulaya tho bayaki kot lingkedom bala tho lut ya kijing teko traikam jong ke Sorkar MDA hapo kajingelam jong ke National People's Party an sasam syakipat ba nong songsnong andala Pynbna ya ke election hapo kajela.
Don't you think the present government, the functioning of the present government, as a citizen of this state, as a resident of this state, do you think, just leave aside the media part of yours and think, is the government working right? There's not one, there are 10 issues one can come up with. So, don't you want a change? And if you think of change, you think of Congress party only, within your hearts, I know.
A charge sheet we will do, we are preparing. We already set a committee on manifesto, set a committee on all different issues. I think normally all these charge sheets will be issued to the public once the election is set. So until unless the election is announced, we don't know when the elections will be there. So once the election is announced, then activities to release all the charge sheet will be there. As of now, we are aware that the election will be normally in the month of February. So we are preparing ourselves. Today's meeting is part of the process of preparation for the coming election. There's a series of failure of the government. You tell us in law and order, you tell us in terms of gambling, the entire state, for the church is against the Gambling Act, but they still impose on it, and the corruptions you have seen, entire.